Ready to boost your English vocabulary? In this video, we're diving into 60 plus essential words related to measuring and quantifying equipment. Ruler, ruler. Tape measure, tape measure. Caliper, caliper. Protractor, protractor. Gauge, gauge. Thermometer, thermometer. Barometer, barometer. Scale, scale. Odometer, odometer. Speedometer, speedometer. Altimeter, altimeter. Hygrometer, hygrometer. Anemometer, anemometer. Sextant, sextant. Manometer, manometer. Micrometer, micrometer. Voltmeter, voltmeter. Ammeter, ammeter. Ohmmeter, ohmmeter. Spectrometer, spectrometer. Seismometer, seismometer. Chronometer, chronometer. Pedometer, pedometer. Tachometer, pedometer. Thermocouple, thermocouple. Multimeter, multimeter. Photometer, photometer. Pyrometer, pyrometer. Dynamometer, dynamometer. Measuring cup, measuring cup. Measuring spoon, measuring spoon. Kitchen scale, kitchen scale. Timer, timer. Oven thermometer, oven thermometer. Candy thermometer, candy thermometer. Laser level, laser level. Surveyor's transit, surveyor's transit. plumb bob, plumb bob. Spirit level, spirit level. Torque wrench, torque wrench. Vernier scale, vernier scale. Dial indicator, dial indicator. Thickness gauge, thickness gauge. Feeler gauge, feeler gauge. Graduated cylinder, graduated cylinder. Pipette, pipette. Beaker, beaker. Sphygmomanometer, sphygmomanometer. Spirometer, spirometer. Stadiometer, stadiometer. Glucose meter, glucose meter. Pulse oximeter, pulse oximeter. Barograph, barograph. Rain gauge, rain gauge. Sound level meter, sound level meter. Water meter, water meter. Fuel gauge, fuel gauge. Hydrometer, hydrometer. Chronograph, chronograph. Dosimeter, dosimeter. Balance scale, balance scale. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this list of 60 plus vocabulary words related to measuring and quantifying equipment helpful. If you want to expand your English vocabulary even more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any other topics you'd like to learn about, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.